cup mouthpiece that you'd use on a bugle or a cornet, so I could play last post with the correct sound on a trumpet.
Okay.
So I needed a deeper cupped mouthpiece, and so I gave him one from a bugle, and he took the measurements of that. He figured out the contour, the shape of the cup on the inside, the inner diameter to within 0.02 of a millimeter, and the inner diameter, the contour, and the shape of the expansion from here to here. And he smoothed it out, made it work,
yeah.
And it sounds
pretty good.
like a bugle when I'm playing a trumpet. And we 3D printed it, and he can alter it, I believe, and make another one with different specifications, and we can experiment with trumpet sound.
He found a site, I think, that had like the detailed measurements, right?
I
And
think
then he worked from that to...
he did, but he told me to use calipers and measure the mouthpiece I gave
Even
him.
inside,
Yeah.
even inside there, yeah. He did that on his own time.
That is by far the best homemade mouthpiece I've never seen one that's even worked before.
Yeah,
And that I would actually use.
Okay.